Hey, gorgeous! Want that sparkling white smile without breaking the bank? Let's dive into a super simple DIY to brighten up your teeth using things you probably already have at home. First, let's talk about why teeth get yellow or stained. Things like coffee, tea, soda, and even some foods can stain your teeth. And if you skip brushing or flossing, plaque buildup can make your teeth look dirty too. Alright, time to get that sparkle back. You'll need just a few basics: baking soda, a little hydrogen peroxide, some coconut oil, and a pinch of salt. Step 1. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of hydrogen peroxide until it forms a paste. This combo breaks down stains like magic. Step 2. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil and a tiny pinch of salt. Coconut oil fights bacteria, and salt acts as a gentle scrub. Step 3. Brush with this paste for just 2 minutes, once a week. Be gentle, and rinse really well afterward. And there you have it. A simple DIY teeth whitening trick right from your kitchen. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Keep shining, beauties. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit subscribe for more affordable beauty tips.